Shout out to Nothing's Impossible 77, straight out of Brooklyn. That's my mom, and I'm her daughter Apple. Don't we look alike? Yeah. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. This is my first video that I'm doing, so make sure you subscribe. I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing hair tutorials or makeup tutorials, because I do hair and I do makeup and I make clothes. So I'm not sure yet, or if it's going to be everyday life, you know, like my everyday life. And yeah, I just had a baby February 25th, so you know, he'll be on there too. So I'm just thinking, you know, where I'm gonna take this. I don't know yet, but make sure you guys subscribe. Yeah. Today's Mother's Day. This is my first Mother's Day. It is 2 o'clock in the morning, and I'm doing a video. Yeah. This came from Applebee's. My name is Apple. I went to Applebee's. Yeah. So, bye.